on my rental properties initially, and since then he's worked on my primary residential house. Replaced both air conditioning units, helped with the gas plumbing for the outside barbecue and fire pit. Yeah, with one of my rentals, the blower went out, and so now I am responsibility for the tenants, and Jay saved my butt. He came in here, within 48 hours, fixed the unit, and this was in the middle of summer in July, when it's usually everyone's busy. But he knew I was a customer of his, and he went out of the way, personally, not his team, but himself, came out and fixed it. His crews have always been on time, as time they said. Price has always been what we quoted at the beginning of the project, and they've always cleaned up and left minimum evidence that they were ever here after the project's done. So I've recommended him to all my friends easily, without even hesitation.